Hello class, welcome back. Okay, now this is your maths class. This is your maths class. Which one class? Maths class. Okay, now all of you stand up. All of you stand up. First of all, we doing poem. Stand up. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Poem करेंगे. Refreshment के लिए, ठीक है? All of you stand up. शाबाश. And speak with me. मेरे साथ पढ़े, ठीक है? और action करिए. Do action. Okay. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. 9, 10. A big free hand. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay. Clap for yourself. Very nice. Okay, you all have maths book. सबके सबके पास maths book है. Show me your maths book. Show me your maths book. Okay. You all have maths book. Very well done. Okay. आज हम मैथ्स में क्या करेंगे? वही रिवीजन करेंगे, ठीक है? क्योंकि मैंने तो आपको बता दी कि हॉलीडेज गुजरी है तो हम थोड़ा सा रिवीजन कर लेंगे ताकि मेरे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों को याद हो जाए, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ ओपन योर बुक. All of you open your book. Very good. Open your book. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now tell me which digit is this? 1. Which digit is this? Zavian. Zavian. अपनी बुक की तरफ देखिए बच्चे. Which digit is this? 1. Which digit is this? 1. And what is this? One car. 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 And what is the color of this car? Red. What is the color of this car? Red. And you have car in your home. आप लोगों के पास कार है आपके घर में? आपके बाबा के पास कार है? और वहाँ आपके बाबा के पास कार है? किस किस के बाबा के पास कार है? Raise your hand. मुस्तफा आपके बाबा के पास कार है? And how many cars? कितने कार्स है? वन कार है कि नहीं? बहुत ज्यादा कार्स है. वन है. वेरी गुड. और वह के बाबा के पास वन कार है. अहमद मुस्तफा आपके बाबा के पास भी वन कार है. गुड. और आमना शाह, अफान आपके बाबा के पास कितने कार्स हैं? 2. वेरी गुड. 2 कार्स. वेरी नाइस. जावियार आपके बाबा के पास कार है? कितने कार्स हैं? How many cars? Javier? Okay. Now, which digit is this? 1. Which digit is this? 1. And what is this? One car. What is this? One car. What is this, Urwa? One car. What is this? One car. Very good. Okay. Tell me, which digit is this? 2. Which digit is this? 2. Which digit is this? 2. 2 like this? 2. Which digit is this? 2. Show me your 2 fingers. टू फिंगर्स शो करें मुझे. शो मी योर टू फिंगर्स. और व्हाट टू फिंगर्स? गुड गुड. टू. Which is this? Two. And what are these? Two leaves. What are these? Two leaves. What are these? Urwa, what are these? Two leaves. Afan, what are these? Two leaves. Ahmed Mustafa, what are these? Two leaves. Which digit is this? Two. Which digit is this? Two. And what are these? Two leaves. What are these? Two leaves. Okay, all of you turn your page. Which digit is this? Three. Which digit is this? Three. Show me your three finger. Show me your three finger. Three. Which digit is this? Three. Which digit is this? Three. And what are these? Three balloons. What are these? Three balloons. How many balloons? Three balloons. How many balloons? Three balloons. Mustafa, look at me. Ahmed Mustafa, look at me, bache. How many balloons? Three balloons. How many balloons? Three balloons. One, two, three. One, two, three. How many balloons? Three balloons. How many balloons? Three balloons. Okay. Which digit is this? Four. Four. Which digit is this? Four. Which digit is this? Four. Which digit is this? Four. And what are these? Fishes. What are these? Fishes. And how many fishes? Count with me. One, two, three, four. How many fishes? Count with me. One, two, three, four. Four fishes. How many fishes? Four fishes. Urwa, how many fishes? Four fishes. Count with me, Urwa. One. Ahmed Mustafa, count with me. One, two, three, four. Xavier, Afan, count with me. One, two, three, four. How many fishes? Four fishes. How many fishes? Four fishes. How many fishes, bache? Four fishes. Which digit is this? Four. Bache, you have four fingers. You have four fingers. आपके four fingers हैं? Very good, Orwa. Show me your four fingers like this. Show me your four fingers. Ahmad, show me your four. Very nice. Afan, show me your four fingers. Very good. Zavia, show me your four fingers. No, bache, no. Four fingers. Like this. Four finger. One, two, three, four. Show me your four fingers. Good. Which digit is this? Four. Which digit is this? Four. Four. Which digit is this? 4. And what are these? 4 fishes. What are these? 4 fishes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fishes? 4 fishes. Okay, now all of you turn your page. Which dish is this? 5. 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 And what are these? 5 pencils. 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 And Afan, what is this? Afan, what is this, बच्चे? अपनी माइक अनम्यूट करें अफान. Very good. And show me your this card. आपके पास जो कार्ड था वो मुझे शो करें. Okay, show me your book. Very nice. Very good. 5 pencils. What is this? What are these? 5 pencils. Now open your book. Afan, open your book. 5 pencils. What are these? Very good. Xavier, look at me, okay? And sit properly. Okay, now count with me. Count with me. 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are 4 pencils. These are 4 pencils. No, these are how many pencils? 5 pencils. How many pencils? 5 pencils. Very good. How many pencils? 5 pencils. Very nice. Okay, now count with me. मेरे साथ count करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ahmed Mustafa, how many pencils? 5 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. 5 pencils. Okay. Very good. 5 pencils. अब मैं एक एक से पूछूंगी, ठीक है ना? Afan, बच्चे, look at me and tell me which letter is this? 4. Very good. And how many fishes? 4 fishes. Count करें बच्चे. Count करें.
1,
Yes.
2,
Yes. Very good. 4 fishes. How many fishes? 4 fishes. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay, Urwa, look at me. Urwa, which dish is this? Urwa, which dish is this?
कम यो डिजिट थी पखपल हुआ है मोमाता मैम तो हुआ है सॉरी मैम तो हुआ है दा कम डिजिट
Which digit is 3?
कम डिजिट थे सुधरते नवे
Urwa?
पखपला
3.
सदी
3.
3 मैम तो हुआ
Urwa, look at me. 3.
मैम
Which digit is this? 3. Very good. And what are very nice? And what are these? What are these? 3 balloons. Very good. Okay. Count with me. Count करें. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons. 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons. Very good. Okay. Ahmed Mustafa, look at me. Which digit is this? No, which digit is this? No. हाँ तो ये है ना, ये कौन सा digit है? Which digit is this? सिर्फ digit बताए. 1. Very good. And what is this? 1 car. What is this? 1 car. Very good. What is this? 1 car. Very good. Okay, Xavier, look at me. Xavier, tell me which digit is this? 2. Very nice. And what are these? What are these, Xavier? Very good. 2 leaves. How many leaves? 2 leaves. Okay. Count with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many leaves? 2 leaves. How many leaves? 2 leaves. Ahmed Mustafa, how many leaves? Leaves नहीं बची, leaves. 2 leaves. और मुझे बताए कि leaves कहाँ पर होते हैं? Leaves कहाँ पर होते हैं? ये क्या है? Tree. Tree में होते हैं. Leaves कहाँ पर होते हैं? Trees में होते हैं. Leaves कहाँ पर होते हैं? Trees में होते हैं. Very good. How many leaves? 2 leaves. Leaves नहीं बची. Leaves. 2 leaves. Very good. Okay, all of you close your book and say bye-bye to ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye.